Today I will show incredibly delicious homemade chocolate recipe. Icing sugar 1 cup, cocoa powder 3/4 cup, powder milk 1/3 cup, extra virgin coconut oil 3/4 cup. Take a bowl, place a strainer. Add sugar, cocoa powder and powder milk. Now strain it. Take out the strainer. Now mix all dry ingredients very well. Take a pot, add 2 cups hot water. Place a heat-proof bowl. For making chocolate, you can use vegetable shortening, butter, extra virgin coconut oil or dalda, but do not use any kind of cooking oil. Add extra virgin coconut oil. Now add dry ingredients with extra virgin coconut oil. Mix well until everything is well combined. It will take 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, chocolate mixture is ready. Take a silicone mold and pour it with chocolate mixture. One silicone mold is ready. Take second silicone mold and pour it with chocolate mixture. Second silicone mold is ready. Take third silicone mold and pour it with chocolate mixture in the same process. Clean the mold with tissue paper. 3 silicone mold with chocolate mixture are ready. Transfer the mold in a plate. Keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. After 1 hour, all chocolates are ready. Unmold all the chocolates. See, all chocolates come out very easily. In this way, you can unmold all the chocolates. It is homemade chocolate, so it is healthy, delicious and very economic. I have made all chocolates in front of you. Now you can believe how much easy to make chocolates. I have made it with only 4 ingredients. Everybody loves chocolates, especially kids. I am sure you will also like it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.